good afternoon. Thank you for your interest in health coverage. Are you looking for individual or family?
I'd like a family plan, please.
Great. And what's your name, please?
My name is Arthur Vandelay.
How old are you, Arthur?
I am 58.
58?
58, yes, ma'am.
Right. And the family members, how old are they?
They are, let's see, 12 and 8.
And what state are you located in?
We are located in Louisiana, United States. And you must be from the United Kingdom, correct?
No, I'm actually in Florida, but originally, yes, from the United Kingdom.
Are you from near where CCT lives, or what part of the United Kingdom? Manchester, perhaps? Leeds? Liverpool?
No, Birmingham.
Birmingham. There's a Birmingham. There's a Birmingham in Alabama, ma'am.
In Alabama, yes, I know.
But the Birmingham in the United Kingdom is really famous for their steel and their and industrial activity, right?
Exactly, correct. Have you ever been there?
I've never been there, but I'd like to go. It is also the birthplace of one John Osborne, otherwise known as Ozzy, the great Ozzy Osbourne, otherwise known as the Prince of Darkness. But I like the light myself. I'm favorable to the light.
Oh, wow. That's good to hear.
But I don't think...
Can I have your zip code?
Yes, 70002. There's 3 zeros between the 7 and the 2. Yes, ma'am.
70002, you said?
That's correct.
Perfect. And can I have an estimate on your annual income, please?
Oh, sure. I can give you the exact figure for that, actually. It is about $24,535 is the annual income for the family here. The 2 young ones, they don't work. Really, they can't work because of their limitations for dexterity. You can't do much with paws. Their paws won't allow them to do a whole lot of manual labor. And I don't want the Animal Society to get after me for overworking my kitties. My 2 cats.
All right.
Yes.
Okay.
But I do want to get coverage for them. I do want to get coverage for the kitties too, because they're very soft-teeth and cuddly, especially the fat one that looks like a cross between a cow and a panda. Ma'am, what about my kitties? I need some health insurance, ma'am. You hung up on me. I'm not going to go to Birmingham now.